sports update of the day. I'm going to tell you what, the Pelicans almost pulled off. Not so much, though. Okay, I need a winner, though, to hype some folks up out there, man. Folks trying to figure out what they're going to do to pop off on that Mardi Gras night. Well, Yo Gotti, the money bag, yo, coming to town at the Sanger. Yes, indeed. Somebody trying to be in that thing. Hello?
Hello?
Who are you?
Yolanda.
Hey, Yolanda, you're calling nine. All right, Yogi, you're in there, baby. Congratulations.
Thank you, Wayne.
And you walk away, you calling from today?
I'm calling from Baton Rouge. On my way back home in the morning. I work in Baton Rouge.
All right, 225 back to the 504. You're in there. That's going to be Mardi Gras night, the Sanger, and they going to get it in. It goes down in my DM. That's what I'm talking about. You're in there, baby. Tell them your station. Looking them tickets up.
293.
This report is brought to you by Subway.
Look out for an accident still blocking the two right lanes. I-10 eastbound between Veterans and Clearview and Metairie. Traffic is back to I-310, and I-310 north traffic is backed up from Airline to I-10. In the Pearl River area, we've got some work going on, blocking the left lane as you make your way northbound on I-59 approaching the Mississippi state line. I'm Lisa Bakke. Follow us on Twitter at Total Traffic NO.
Our sight is a gift that makes memorable moments even more special. Are you doing enough to protect it? Yearly exams from an eye doctor can detect serious diseases before they compromise your sight. Visit thinkaboutyouryes.com to find a doctor near you and make an appointment today.
Get ready for iHeartRadio to make this a super weekend.
Do you know when the best time for a cold is?
Boy, it's something about you, think I'm a keeper. I pull up in the wagon, you put the Jeep up. Boy, we living lavish, kick your feet up. All I wanna do is get away with you. You had me at hello, what's up? What we gonna do when we leave this club?
Met her in the club, all the showing up. Can you party with love? I'm just trying to show you love. We got it back.
You got it back.
This is where the party at. You're the one I wanna know. So tell me how it's supposed to know.
Yeah.
This report is brought to you by Taco Bell.
I'm Ken Trahan. The Pelicans play their second game without DeMarcus Cousins tonight at Smoothie King Center against Sacramento. Perhaps the Pels have a better shot at the playoffs after the Clippers traded star forward Blake Griffin to Detroit yesterday in return for Tobias Harris, Avery Bradley, Boban Marjanovic. The Patriots and Eagles were in Minneapolis for Super Bowl 52 this Sunday. Rob Gronkowski expected to play, recovering from a concussion. Lakeshore quarterback Chris Penton commits to Southeastern Louisiana, which is expected to name former Tulane assistant Frank Selfo as its head coach today. And Tulane gets a commitment from three-star wide receiver Keith Jones Jr. had previously with SMU. For these stories and more, check out CrescentCitySports.com. Have a blessed day and be a good sport. For CrescentCitySports.com, I'm Ken Trahan.
Pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vents on my shoes. Pop up, pick it up, lose. Wait, beat it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up. Damn it, 2 drop, eat it up. They thinking no way, but they lead it up. Oh, wait, pints in, call up rocket. My brother pull like a socket. Kicking this door, yeah, I got him. Open this if you can't lock it. Sipping that white, yeah, bust to the top. Bustin' your bitch like a Glock. She like to suck on my. I get that money, don't stop. I know you like this beat too, but you a goofy though. Oh wait, word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your was a drown. Call him up for the pound. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Hey, yeah, watch it do cold. Broke a seal, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm telling now it shows. All of my wrist, then you right on my clothes. Hold on, little mama, you tweaking.